Hello there. War Day number 491. 491 days ago, the war has started in Ukraine. Still going on, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, June the 29th, almost end of the month. 2023, June the 29th, yes, 2023. I've here only one regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, the Sudoku with 1 star, 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku, and the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. But first let me start with this one, Sudoku Medium, number 6672. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. 28. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. The 1-star, my time limit for 1-star need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes, because the 1-star has 27 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. The more you need more time to solve. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Alright. Then let me see. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see 5 in this column, last column, no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see. Cannot continue with 8. How about 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. Well. Let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 4. I'm thinking. 7. Come on. 6. Yeah. How about the 9? Need a 9 here. 9. Yeah, Yeah. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Come on. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place left for the 9 is should be there. 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, and look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Now. Let me see. 4, 4. Need an 8. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Come on. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. One of us, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. We see a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square. 6. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Okay. Then 6. How about the 8. I'm thinking 6 and 4. Need a 3 here. 3. I'm thinking. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, overlook this 9, overlook this 9. We already have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright, for 4. Then 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in the first row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third column for number 7. Yeah, 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6. No. We already have a 3. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Almost made a mistake. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Alright. Now. How about 6? Yeah. 6 and the 2. 4 and yeah. We have 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers in the second column are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left with 3 should be there. 2 and the 4, okay. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. The 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, sorry. We have already a 2. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And the final number in this big square for the 1, the 2. Is missing. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.